Cinderella. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful girl named Cinderella. She lived with her mean stepmother and her two cruel stepsisters. The day the stepsisters received an invitation for a ball at the royal palace. "What a shame maids aren't invited too," jeered the stepsisters. As soon as her stepsisters left, Cinderella cried her heart out. She wanted to go to the ball. Suddenly she heard a voice from the back. "I'm your fairy godmother. I will fulfill your wish." The fairy godmother magically transformed and her friends. She told Cinderella to midnight. As soon as the handsome prince saw Cinderella, he was instantly enchanted. They both danced together. The clock struck 12 and Cinderella immediately ran out of the palace. She panicked and lost a glass slipper in the palace. The puzzled prince chased after her but only found the slipper. The love-struck prince went from house to house, making every girl try on the slipper. Then, the prince asked Cinderella to try on the slipper. Her dainty foot was a perfect fit. The prince gasped in delight. The prince took Cinderella back to his palace. They got married and lived happily ever after.